I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can increase your Amazon sales by 10% every single month with just 60 seconds of effort. It's a strategy that we do on the ALGO wholesale model to increase our sales dramatically. And I'll prove its effectiveness in just a moment, but first off, let me introduce myself. My name is Sofia, and I'm an Amazon seller for over 9 years. I opened my Amazon store in 2015, and on this channel, I help other sellers start, scale, and manage successful Amazon businesses. Now, let's dive into this method that I call the auto PPC campaign. Now, when you're doing the ALGO wholesale model, you do not need to do PPC. Why? Because we're selling popular name brand products that customers are already looking for and already want. So there's not really no need to advertise. Unlike other business models out there that you see on YouTube or TikTok, where people need to spend thousands on PPC after they have already spent thousands on our product, because it's not clear if the product will sell. How would you like to effortlessly increase your overall sales every single month by just setting up an automatic campaign in 60 seconds to run in the background for your business and bring your return on ad spend of 20, 30, 40 to 1? Like for every dollar you spend, you get 40 back. Well, this is how this works, and it works incredibly for your overall sales, especially for people doing the ALGO wholesale business model. Since we show you how to pick the right products, and then this is picking the right products with doing an auto PPC campaign. This will yield fantastic results for your Amazon store. So let's set it up. Here's how, and follow in your store. All right, so to set up your all products auto PPC campaign to run in the background of your store every single day and give you amazing results, what you're gonna wanna do is first head to your Amazon Seller Central account, open it up, and then head to the menu and click on advertising. That will open the ads dashboard. That's what we want. So when you go to Amazon ads and you're here on the website, click on create campaign. All right, so that will open the campaign types. You have sponsored products, sponsored brands. We're gonna choose sponsored products. First, they're gonna ask you for an ad group name. Really, just choose any name. This is of no importance. And then head down to the product site. So this campaign consists of running a PPC campaign on the background of your store for every single product you have. So what we want to do here is add all products. So you can click on this button that I'm pointing to that says add all on this page. Now we have quite a few pages, but yeah, you can either enter the list of ASINs in a UPC. Right here you have the chance, the opportunity to upload a document. So you can, if you have a list of all your UPCs, CSV, you can do that, or you can manually just click on add all on this page and just go by selecting on every single page of your Amazon store. So this will select all of your inventory in the campaign. Now head down, once you have done that, they will appear on the right like so. You can see here how many products you've selected so far, and then you can go on and select more. And after they're all here to the right, that means they're all included on the campaign. After that, head down to the targeting site. We're gonna choose automatic targeting. So we don't wanna do anything manually, honestly. As I said, this is a campaign that's gonna run in the background and it will require minimum maintenance. So we're gonna click on automatic targeting. Obviously, this excludes, obviously you need to do some manual campaigns, but this is on the side of that. You can do manual campaigns and have this one always running. So we will select automatic campaign for this one. All right, after that, we're gonna head into the default bid. So let's choose what we wanna bid. So it'll automatically be set at 0.75 cents. We wanna change that and leave 0.05 cents. So we will only wanna spend 5 cents per bid, all right? And we wanna choose a fixed bid strategy, which I will show you in a moment how to select that. But yeah, we want to set the default bid to 5 cents because we don't want to spend that much on every single bid. Remember, this will be running all the time, so we want to have like a low bid for every single keyword. Okay, so scroll down, and we will not add any negative keywords or negative product targeting. So just leave this blank like so. And then you're gonna choose for the campaign bidding strategy, you're gonna choose fixed bids. So this will ensure that you only spend those 5 cents that we previously set per bid, right? So leave all of these settings, the bid adjustments as a default. Just leave them like so, do not edit. And then finally, in the section below, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna set a daily budget at $50. If you feel more comfortable, you can start with $30 and then gradually increase it to 50 as you see a positive ROAS, right? So remember, you will not likely spend all the entire amount, the full amount. If you do, it means that you're getting substantial returns anyway. So if you do, I mean, that's a happy problem to have. But if you feel more comfortable starting out with 30, remember, you will not spend the entire amount every single day. But that's okay. You can gradually increase as you see your return on ad spend increase. You can choose a campaign name. I just leave it like 0.05 cents auto all products so that I know which campaign is this. I suggest you use a similar name just that you can identify it. For the start date, just choose today, whatever date it is, and then no end date. All right, just leave it like that, no end date, because this will be running every single day. Now, on the last part, you can launch 2 additional campaigns in other countries. So it could be automatically selected. It'll automatically choose Canada and Mexico so that you can create a campaign also for these 2 countries. But you do not want to copy this. You want to opt out of advertising in Mexico and Canada before launching the campaign. So you can just deselect each country or just click here on the blue button that's selected to deselect it, and it'll appear just like this, and that means that you're opting out of those 2 countries. Then after that, just click launch campaign, and that's it. You can review all the details here, see what advertised products did you choose, your daily budget, your schedule, the country that you're targeting. Very important that you check that it only says United States or Canada or the country that you're advertising in. Automatic targeting, fixed bids, and that's it. Maintenance is very simple for these types of campaigns. Once a week, you can have a team member or yourself add any new products to the campaign. Just click on add all for each new page and update the campaign, and that's it. That will include any new products that you may add to your inventory. Implement this approach, you're going to see a 10% monthly increase in your sales. I guarantee it. Subscribe to our channel to keep learning Amazon hacks and secrets from experienced sellers, and I'll see you in the next video.